going on at Skinner Screens today? Looks like we are screening a specialty screen here on our table. Our screening table, as you can see here, this is a specialty Andersen screen. We're putting some gray fiberglass screen for this customer per their request. As you can see, Scotty's rolling it in right now. This screen came complete with slide-in leaf springs and then the corner tabs down at the bottom so you could lift it out easily. So the final thing we're going to do here is we're just going to trim off the excess screen and we'll be good to go. Give Skinner's a call, 512-863-5145.